Hi Libra and welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to read the energies for you for the month of October 2020 and see how are the vibrations for you in this month, and what are the things which you will have to follow, what is it that universe wants you to leave back or release those energies which are very important. And along with that, we will start the reading as usual with the theme of the month card. How's the theme this month for you? And before that, before all of that, I would like to share my contact numbers with you so that you can reach out to me on these numbers and these email IDs for your personalized readings if you want to proceed with that. The number will be 91, which is a code for India, and the full number will be 918448901791. You can email me on blossomlifetarot@gmail.com, and you can visit my website, which is www.blossomlifetarot.com. Thank you so much, and let's get ahead. The very first card, which is your theme of the month card, it is talking about healing. Here it is. Here is your healing fairy, and I'll tell you the reason why she has appeared in your reading. But this time, once we flip all the cards, I will relate you back to this card, and I'm sure all the cards will be talking to this one. So let's go ahead with the very first card and the very first week of October. Then we have the second week. I'm flipping all the cards right now so that I can give you a quick glimpse of what exactly you can expect from this reading, and accordingly you can make up your mind and prepare yourself for this month. This month is going to be a beautiful month for you, Libra, and I will tell you the reason also of it. You are becoming an achiever, you're becoming a winner in this month. You're getting things what you lost in the last couple of years. How is this happening? I'll take you that, I'll run through that one by one, week by week, and see the energies, how are they for you. So the very first card, which was healing, now I can relate this card with all the cards. You're getting healed in this month. You're getting back whatever you've lost. You're getting back those energies what you always wanted. So this is a wonderful month for you, and I myself have goosebumps right now, thinking that how beautiful this energy is. How do they really talk to each other when they are ready to give you a consultation? And I was so right in not telling you about this card at the initial stage when I flipped the card for you. I hope now you get it, and once we will read one by one every week, you will understand it how. The very first week, it talks about a rebirth of you. It talks about a new you, a new energy in you. You who's ready to fight any battle. You're getting financial gains. You're getting gain out of those investments what you had forgot about, that oh, I had invested something there and the value of that fund is so much now, right? That's happening with you. The first week itself is giving you financial gains, Libra. So be happy, enjoy that phase. That's a beautiful energy. You will feel fresh. You will feel like a new you has taken a birth in this month, a very first week. How is this beautiful energy transitioning itself into the second week? What shape is it taking? It is making you a family person. You will get a lot of time to spend with your family. You will become the center of attraction for your family, because finally you're becoming that person who always wanted to be the breadwinner for the family. You are getting that, you're reaching at that stage. Okay, you're emerging like a winner. People who used to criticize you, who thought that you cannot do anything in life, oh, what can you do, such petty thing you are. Trust me, they're going to repent each and every word what they've just said about you. You're emerging like a winner, Libra. You're winning things. You are a winner, as always, Libra. Not only you will win all the battles, you will put your hands in, you will also would like to showcase that to people, and you have all the valid reasons to do that. Till now people were criticizing you. They thought you were good for nothing, or maybe you can't do much in life, you can't achieve things in life, but then You are showing them now that, listen, I never had to showcase things. I was waiting for the right time. The right time has come in now, Libra, for you. This month is beautiful for you. It's a beautiful energy, very nice energy. And with this energy, when you're moving to the third week is telling you, listen, Libra, one phase of your life is going to get over very soon. It's very, very soon. It is not yet over. It is going to happen very soon when these 2 points meet each other. There's a transition of your life journey is happening. It is transitioning to a new phase. It is killing old you. You are a new person. Remember, I told you you're going to take a rebirth. It's a rebirth happening for you. You are taking a new birth. Old energies, old you, old fears you're leaving them behind. Your birthday month, Libra, is bringing you a lot of love, energy, new life, new support system all together for you. And you should feel happy about it. It's a beautiful energy, a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful energy. Okay? Don't go by the picturization of this card. Understand the meaning, the dark meaning and the beautiful meaning behind it. I said dark word because I saw those dark clouds there. The beautiful energy says that don't worry. Universe is killing all those stupid things which were dragging you behind in your life and giving you a new life altogether, Libra. So be happy about it. Be good about it. Reunion is happening with you in the 4th week. Those old friends, old buddies you've not catch up with for a long time now, you're going to catch up with them. You're going to meet them, and there's going to be a beautiful time with you and for them with you. Okay. I see the energy of kids in your card. I mean, small kids in your card. Those small kids, somehow I feel that you're going to be blessed with this beautiful feeling. If you're family way, you will be blessed with a kid in this month. So be happy. Welcome either a girl or a boy enters your life. Whatever, the child is coming your way. This child is coming and this is God's gift for you. Maybe the energies of this child will change your life forever, and he's bringing his or her luck, which is getting joined with your destiny, and it is making your life all the more beautiful. It is giving you beautiful family time, Libra. Beautiful energy. Kids are going to be lucky for you in this month, so spend as much as you can on kids. Spend time with kids. Okay, this energy will heal you. Remember this healing card. Not only you will heal people, this energy of kids will heal you. They're healing you. Okay, so it is vice versa happening with kids. Kids have the most innocent and the most greatest powerful healing powers with them, and you would have experienced it till now. When you're tired, you reach home, you see kids, you have that fresh feeling in you, and this is how kids are actually healing you this month. You're going to be not only a beautiful person for yourself, but it is going to be a beautiful feeling for your family members, your close friends, your relatives, to be together. You're going to have a good time with your partner. This family time is coming your way. It's a beautiful time altogether. And I must say that this month is a beautiful month for Libras. All those Libras who are watching this video, you can start celebrating now, because I can feel that. I'm very happy seeing these energies here. These are very positive. Let me give you a love advice also, and a quick card which will give you a quick advice in terms of what you should not do or do in this month when it comes to your relationships. Okay, your relationships are going to heal in this month. If you're facing problems in your relationship, it is going to heal, and healing can happen in a way wherein you will leave one relationship behind and you move towards another, which will bring happiness in your life. And the card says very soon a new person will come into your life, and the new energy and the right kind of person will enter your life, Libra. So your wait is over. That waiting period, knock is over now, because that right knock is happening in your or at your door very, very soon, Libra. Keep it simple. And what does it really say? Why the card has come in like this? Keep it simple. Simplicity wins people's heart. The more complex you are, the more difficult it is for people to understand you and be close to you. Saying beautiful and simple words like thank you, sorry, I love you, great job, well done. Very simple words. And the simplest words in this world have the most impactful effect ever. A simple word can change people's life. That's what you need to understand in your relationships. Keep it simple. Don't complex things, right? So take care. Be happy, be nice, be positive with people, spread positivity around you. That's what the world needs it most right now, right? Take care. Bye bye, and God bless you all.